What's up YouTube? I'm Day360. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my official first video. If you see the video above, that was my introduction video. This video right here, this is my first video ever. Come on now. As far as 360s, I'm telling you, my waves, they dipping. They dipping so hard, you will drown, okay? I know this because I'm not taking off my do-rag until I reach 1,000 subscribers. Point blank. I may show you some pictures of my waves. I may show you what I look like before, what I look like after. But if you want to know what it looks like right now, I ain't taking it off until we hit 1,000 subscribers. That's right, 1,000 subscribers. I noticed that you only came to this video because you saw the title and you want to know how to do it. You really want to know. You've came to the right place. The right place is here right now. Today is the first day. The first day you start your waves. Today is the day that you start your journey for the rest of your life. Today is the day making a promise to yourself. You are forever going to be consistent. Today is the day that you are going to be 360. How to get 360 waves in one day. It's impossible. You cannot get 360s in one day. That's impossible. But what you could do is start off with the first day. Everybody has their own techniques, you know, their go-to. Everybody has that, oh, I want my waves to look like this goal. And there's nothing wrong with that. But you have to know, everybody with 360 waves has put in hard work. This lifestyle doesn't come easy. Sorry to break it to you, but nothing in life comes easy. If it came easy, you need to look over your shoulder and know something ain't right. It comes with hard work. It comes with consistency. It comes with patience. I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to need 3 essential things. You're going to need a mirror. I would prefer a handheld mirror, even if it's even smaller than this. You're going to be able to see every single thing. Without a mirror, you're pretty much wasting your time because there's no way you can start 360s without having a mirror to show your reflection. You look at this mirror, you're going to see progress. You're going to see a mirror does not lie. You can't look in a mirror and think that, oh, today I'm bald, tomorrow I'm 360. It doesn't work like that. You also need a brush. It doesn't matter what type of brush you have. As long as you're starting off with a brush, hard brush, soft brush, easy, because they go hand in hand. Next, you're going to need something that nobody has, but everybody has. I'm going to show you. 1 second. 360 magic. It's actually water. You're going to need lots of water. It's actually alkaline water. It's good to drink. Yeah, it's actually really good to drink. You want to make sure that you stay hydrated as well as your hair stay hydrated. So you want to make sure you have some type of oil, some type of pomade, maybe even some hair grease, or even plain old water can help you start off your waves. You want to make sure that you have your brush, your mirror, and of course, your moisturizer. You have to start at the top of the head. If you don't start at the top of the head, I'm telling you right now, it's going to be harder for you to find where your crown is. You have to find your crown in order to get that 360. That's what's gonna have that rotation going. You wanna get that 360, that full circle. You gotta brush out, down. You gotta brush out to the side, brush out. But see, you can't be doing it all willy-nilly. You just can't be brushing without knowing where you're brushing. That's why this mirror is so handy. When you look into the mirror, I can see it right now. See where I can see my sides? You have to hold the mirror just at that perfect angle. And that's when you brush down. You brush down, you brush down so you can see where those waves are coming in at. Now, of course, you're not going to see no ripple, you're not going to see no wave on the first day. But let's say you brush for 30 minutes straight, you lube it up. Yeah, you got to lube your hair. You know, you got to lube anything that's hard. When you lube it up, you throw a rag on there. You let it sit, you know, for a couple hours, or even if you do it overnight. You pull the rag off, you brush again. I guarantee you, they're doing construction across the street from my house. I guarantee you, you're going to see at least one ripple. Your eyes are not playing tricks on you. It's true. The first day you brush, if you brush for 30. You have to brush for 30 minutes straight. So that means 15 on this hand. That means 15 on this arm and 15 on this arm. You're gonna start seeing that you have muscles after you've been brushing. You gotta put in that work. You gotta brush them up. You gotta take it all the way there. You gotta take it so. For 30 minutes, 15 on this one, 15 on this one. Once you do that, I guarantee you, after you take off your rag, can they just stop with this construction? There it is. After you take off your rag, I guarantee you will see a little ripple in the ocean that you're trying to start, and the sea that you're trying to see. If you don't take anything from this video, make sure you take 3 things from this video. You have to have a mirror, you have to have a brush, and you have to have some type of moisturizer. It could be water, it could be oil, coconut oil, hair moisturizer, grease, pomade, whatever fits you. And then your waves, your 360s are on their way. Gonna take you probably 3 to 6 weeks at best to at least see the form of the 360. It should not take no longer than that. If it takes longer than that, I guarantee you, you have not been brushing. You have not been moisturizing. You have not been paying attention to what pattern you have and what pattern you deserve your head to be formed in. Remember, all 3 of those things, I guarantee you will have 360 waves. There's no doubt. And if you don't have 360 waves, hit me up, comment below, and be like, yo, Day, I don't see it. I've been doing this for 3 weeks now, and I don't see not a ripple. I don't see nothing. I have no 360s. What's going on, man? And I guarantee you, I will tell you what's going on. You write me in a DM. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram. Day360. That's right, Day 3, 6, and O. Like the letter. I'll respond to you and tell you exactly why you're not getting your waves. Your waves got to be checked to the right point. If your waves ain't on point, you're not swimming. If you can't swim, you're drowning. And if you're drowning, you cannot see. And if you can't see, then you don't have no waves. And if you don't have no waves, then what does that mean? You just got a regular haircut. That's it. That's all you have. To end this video the right way, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I need a subscriber every single day. I told y'all, if I can get 1 subscriber every single day for 360 days, that's 360 subscribers. I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. I'm not taking my do-rag off until I hit 1,000 subscribers. That's it. As soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, I swear, all y'all gonna be blind from my waves. I swear y'all gonna be seasick. Y'all gonna be drowning in the ocean. Y'all gonna be like, what? Why is his waves so deep like this? And when I tell y'all my waves are crazy, I don't even want to tell y'all. Just make sure y'all hit that subscribe button right now. We gotta watch Day 360. Because he the one who gonna put us on. He the one who gonna get us the waves. He the one who gonna get us right. And I guarantee you, bro, I'm gonna get you right. Like, I'm gonna get you right though. You know what I'm saying? Pause. Come on, end it. Yes. Oh my God. 360s are the only degree I have. So stay in school, kids. Stay in school. And make sure when you're on your lunch break, you brushing. Make sure when the bell rings, you brushing. Make sure when you crossing the street, you look both ways, but you brush that way, you brush that way. Because without 360s, I'm telling you right now, everything in life comes in full circle. That's 360. We out.